Today, we're going to unravel the secrets hidden within the property, plant and equipment, and by the end of this video, you will not only understand the basics, but gain valuable insights about the financial reporting. A company's property, its manufacturing, plant and equipment, and their collective value are carried on the balance as an assets. They are carried at their original cost less accumulated depreciation. Depreciation is what occurs as the plant and equipment wear out little by little. Every year, a charge is taken against the plant and equipment. Companies that don't have a long-term competitive advantage are faced with constant competition, which means they constantly have to update their manufacturing facilities to try to stay competitive, often before such equipment is worn out. This, of course, creates an ongoing expense that is often quite substantial and keeps adding to the amount of plant and equipment the company lists on its balance sheet. A firm that has durable competitive advantage doesn't need to constantly upgrade its plant and equipment to stay competitive. Take the gum manufacturer Wrigley. It builds a plant that makes chewing gum, and it doesn't have to update the plant and equipment until they wear out. So the company that has a durable competitive advantage replaces its plant and equipment as they wear out, while the company that doesn't have a durable competitive advantage has to replace its plant and equipment to keep pace with the competition. Companies that have that advantage will be able to finance any new plants and equipment internally. But a company that doesn't have will be forced to turn to debt to finance its constant need to retool its plants to keep up with the competition. We see this when we take a company with a long-term competitive advantage like Wrigley, which has plant and equipment worth $1.4 billion, carries $1 billion in debt and earns in the neighborhood of $500 million per year. Compare Wrigley with a company that doesn't have a durable competitive advantage like General Motors, which has plant and equipment valued at $56 billion, carries $40 billion in debt and has lost money for the past few years. Chewing gum is not a product that changes much, and Wrigley brand's name ensures a competitive advantage over its rivals. But General Motors must compete head-on with every car manufacturer on the planet, and its product mix constantly has to be upgraded and redesigned to stay ahead of its competitors. This means that General Motors equipment has to be regularly retooled to produce the new products. Having a consistent product means that there is no need to spend tons of money upgrading the plant and equipment just to stay competitive, which frees up tons of money for other money-making ventures. If you would like to watch more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. Take care and see you next time.